Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parks Pro. Today we have 2015 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 7130. It's ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It has a CSHA 2 litre twin turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CSH 2 litre twin turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory made tyre. Front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door 3 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory made tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, light sun cracks, right rear 16-inch factory made tyre, right rear door 4 dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,